position before the competition yellow.
Oh, travel big rack!
There we go.
Oh, that's taking up half the field! Oh my god, terrible crash! Oh my god! What a crash! I made it back just the top of the back one! Eric Sackler and Ellie Sackler in the whole field! The 42 car!
Oh my god, they're not even
Suarez is wrecked! No, Suarez is wrecked! Oh, I hope Suarez isn't taking out hard. I hope he's not the one with the door ripped off. I hope he's not the one with the door ripped off. I saw that 6 car go up the track, come back down, and take out the field.
I think Suarez is alright, actually.
I hope his side got torn off. Oh, that's the guy who's got his side torn off. My gosh, who is that? Oh, Joe Nemechek!
The two. Great to see that car come back on.
I was just thinking about him. I was like, maybe he can win today.
Easily went up in the air.
Oh man, what a crash, dude! Oh,
T-Rex.
Let them race back to the line.
Let him race. Let him race.
No, let him race. Let him race.
Come on, yo, come on.
Come on, Algar. Come on, Algar. Come on, Algar.
Drag race.
Drag race to the line. Oh my
Yellow's out.
Gosh.
That's bullshit. They're right there.
Oh my god, dude, they keep out finish that.
They freaking threw the caution while they were just heading to the trioval. They were halfway to the trioval.
That is retarded.
You gotta be kidding me right now.
You've got to be shitting me.
The 2 team has avoided the scare they had earlier.
He's like, I'm gonna pit right here. He's like, oh, I got you, didn't I? Oh man, Cal. Oh no!
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Chase
Jimmy's in it.
Jimmy
Fuck.
Johnson.
Jimmy
Big.
Johnson. Big crash, guys. This taking out half the field.
Fuck.
Oh,
God
God.
damn it. There's the whole fucking field and all the
Junior's
100 cars.
torn up.
Harvick,
Yeah, Jimmy said the
Ryan
cars are
Scott, Chase Elliott.
I think Junior's in it.
Gets onto the left front. It's on from there. I mean, we talked about it earlier.
Who started it?
Motherfucker. Alright, I'm done. I don't want to watch anymore.
Stop, dude. I don't think Junior was in it. but-
Memory. They said Memory started it. Once again, had to deal with it at the Sprint Unlimited.
I hate to see Chase get right like that.
Thank you, Jamie McFucking-Murray.
If he ain't just. All right, big right. Where's Casey being cover baited? Austin, do it. Oh, Tony Stewart, darn it.
It wasn't that big. It wasn't that big.
Darn it. Tony freaking Stewart's involved.
Why'd you have to pick him?
I didn't pick him, you idiot. I guess I did, but I didn't say anything.
I am not happy.
Oh my gosh. Tony
And we're still.
Why are they still under commercial?
I
Cut back.
am not
Just quit. Just
happy.
cut the race off. Just go back to Fox. Jeff Gordon, get out of your pajamas and everything. Larry McGriddles, I know you're freaking having late night sex with Cialis, but get out of there and freaking the race car. We need to get Fox back on this crap. I'm sick of this. We
What
can't even freaking,
the fuck?
I mean, we're still on it.
It looks. It has a
It
look.
looks exactly like it. Dude, Brad Keselowski will win this
Dude,
race.
Kyle's coming too.
I don't know.
Trevor Bain's pushing the piss out of people.
Brad Keselowski will win it. All he needs is one more block. And he got it. I mean, look at this. Ridiculous. Looks like snow on the backstretch. I mean, they're not even freaking getting there.
This is some shit.
This is some fucking bullshit.
That's some Ford horsepower for you.
Oh, they're gonna wreck! Oh no, Kurt Busch!
Oh, I thought he was gonna flip.
Brad Keselowski.
That's fucking bullshit.
Oh man.
That was a. No, that's fucking
Hey,
bullshit.
man, to the line.